From the dawn of humanity, we have yearned to bridge the gaps between us. The desire to connect, to share our thoughts and emotions, has always been a fundamental part of the human experience. To share our stories, our discoveries, our dreams. Around campfires, we told tales of our ancestors, and in ancient scrolls, we documented our knowledge and wisdom. But distance has always been our greatest obstacle. Vast landscapes and long roads separated communities, making communication a challenge. Before the telegraph, messages could only travel as fast as a horse or a ship. Couriers braved harsh weather and treacherous terrains to deliver important news. Imagine waiting weeks, months, even years to hear from loved ones far away. The anticipation and uncertainty were a constant part of life. The pace of life was slow. Every moment seemed to stretch on as people awaited news and updates. News traveled at a snail's pace. Town criers and horseback deliveries were the primary means of spreading information. The world felt impossibly vast. The sheer scale of distances made it seem like different parts of the world were entirely separate realms. But in the 19th century, everything changed. A spark of genius ignited a revolution, the electric telegraph. This groundbreaking invention harnessed the power of electricity to transmit messages instantly across vast distances. Samuel Morse, an American inventor, is credited with perfecting this revolutionary technology. He developed a simple yet elegant system for encoding messages as a series of dots and dashes. This became known as Morse code. The telegraph system was remarkably simple. An electric circuit formed by a wire connecting two distant points was the key. At one end, an operator used a device called a telegraph key to interrupt the flow of electricity, creating the dots and dashes of Morse code. At the other end, an electromagnet would click with each interruption, translating the code back into letters and words. Section 4. A world transformed, the impact of instant communication. The impact of the telegraph was immediate and profound. It revolutionized the way we shared information, breaking down barriers that had existed for centuries. For the first time in human history, we could communicate instantly across continents and oceans. Businesses could close deals in real time, no longer hindered by the delays of traditional mail. Newspapers could report breaking news as it happened, bringing the latest events to the public with unprecedented speed. Families could stay in touch, sharing important moments and news almost instantaneously, all in the blink of an eye. The world was shrinking and distances seemed to disappear. The pace of life was accelerating. People adapted to a faster rhythm and the world became more dynamic and interconnected. A new era of global interconnectedness had begun. The telegraph laid the foundation for the modern communication networks we rely on today, forever changing the way we connect with each other. Section 5. The legacy of dots and dashes from telegraph to text. The telegraph's reign as the king of communication may have been short-lived, surpassed by even faster technologies. Yet its influence is undeniable. The telegraph revolutionized the way we think about distance and communication. Before its invention, sending a message across the country could take days or even weeks. The telegraph changed all that, making it possible to send messages almost instantaneously. But its legacy lives on. The dots and dashes of Morse code were more than just a means of communication. They were the building blocks of a new era. These simple signals laid the groundwork for the binary code that would come to dominate the digital age. The dots and dashes of Morse code paved the way for the binary code that underpins our digital world. This binary code is the language of computers, the foundation upon which all modern digital communication is built. Without the telegraph, the rapid advancements in technology that we enjoy today might not have been possible. The telegraph's impact resonates in every text message, every email, and every social media post. Each time we send a message, we are building on the legacy of the telegraph. It has fundamentally changed the way we interact with each other, making communication faster and more efficient. Every video call we make today is a testament to the telegraph's enduring influence. The ability to see and speak to someone on the other side of the world in real time is a direct descendant of the telegraph's groundbreaking technology. The telegraph taught us that distance is no barrier to human connection. It showed us that we could reach out and touch someone, no matter how far away they were. This lesson has carried forward into the digital age, where we are more connected than ever before. It showed us the power of technology to bring us closer together. The telegraph was the first step in a journey that has led to the interconnected world we live in today. It demonstrated that technology could bridge gaps and bring people together in ways that were previously unimaginable. And that is a legacy worth celebrating. The telegraph's impact on our world is profound and lasting. It has shaped the way we communicate, the way we connect, and the way we live our lives. As we continue to innovate and develop new technologies, we should always remember the humble telegraph and the incredible legacy it has left behind.